Friends, welcome to this small presentation of CIMCO MDC. My name is Deepak Bodhani. I did my post-graduation in 79 and I am associated with CIMCO since 2010. I started my organization Digitech Engineers way back in 1989. Industry 4.0 and CIMCO system. This is a presentation to explain the concept of Industry 4.0 standard and how CIMCO system will be used as a first step towards Industry 4.0 standard. The Internet of Things IoT is the network of physical devices, vehicles, home appliances and other items embedded with electronics, software, sensors, actuators and connectivity which enables these things to connect, collect and exchange data. This is about cloud computing. The cloud computing is shared pools of configurable computer system resources and high-level services that can be rapidly provisioned with minimal management effort, often over the internet. This is the authorization letter issued by CIMCO Denmark. We are authorized to give services in the all over India territory as well as in the Middle East. He is my trainer, Mr. Vasek from CIMCO headquarters. I had been there twice for getting the detailed training. This is a typical configuration where the data comes from CNC controllers or maybe some devices, temperature, information, all those things come and it is getting collected in a local server. Here also we get data from the controller. Here we have an Android tablet or touchscreen for entering downtime region codes, and through this Moxa device we can send the information in a Wi-Fi system. This is a timeline graph. You can see from 6 o'clock what is happening on the machine, each machine. There is a two-way data flow. Text messages are also sent depending upon the event which is configured. Now CIMCO uses local storage. Some of the companies offer cloud storage. In both the cases there are some advantages, some limitation. But as far as I know, the local storage is inexpensive. It is easy to use and the data is under your control. So CIMCO uses local server. Process data is sent on a cell phone. Auto emails are also sent. Production data is sent out. Data cannot be stolen. There is no access to the database. No risk of third-party storage as in case of cloud data. To store the information, you don't have to pay anything. Cloud-based systems are generally expensive. You can get accurate data up to 1 second resolution. It saves man hours of data entry. There is no person who will enter the data into Excel sheet. So time is money. You get instant OEE which gives chance to improve the productivity in the same shift. It is not a post-mortem kind of thing. You can directly get OE, live OE on the big screen, as well as you can get SMS or email. Corrective action and chance to improve OEE in the current shift itself. So cost reduction by immediate action. All the sections will be on toes to improve the overall OEE. Tooling, industrial engineering, purchase, design, NC programmer, inspection. All the departments will get SMS if the machine is down due to those reasons. You get directly report in the Excel. These are some of our customers' sample reports. You can get this kind of graph as well as data. Here you can see the machine utilization shift wise. This is a typical automobile industry report where every hour you can get the productivity or the parts produced. This is a typical CNC lathe where the number of parts are done quite fast as compared to VMC or HMC. SMS to predefined events to predefined cell numbers. You can get automatic emails at predefined time. This is a sample email which says machine stopped for maintenance for more than 2 hours. The event name is maintenance manager. The machine is Mazak 300 and the DNC Max group is group 6. Customized downtime sheets are also possible to make. This is the sample sheet for Manwear in Doha, where they use a barcode scanner to enter the downtime. But you can use Android tab also if you wish. So why CIMCO? CIMCO is amongst the top 3 companies in the world in this field. So we have lots knowledge base all over the world. There are more than 310 resellers across the world. So you can say CIMCO has got information of almost all types of CNC controllers. Of course, the local support is from India. So I support all over India plus the Middle East countries. We can meet almost all requirements of your company. The system is flexible enough for the on-site customization. The system is so nicely designed that I don't have to call any software developer to make any customization. We can do it on-site as per your requirement. And we can give free trial on one of your machines before you take a final decision. This is about ROI calculation. This will vary actually from machine to machine, but the typical example shows that with even 5% increase in OEE, your ROI will be about 3 to 4 months. These are the views from the web. You can display the productivity of a CNC shop on a big 40-inch TV. Also, you can get this information on your smartphone. digitechpune@gmail.com is my email ID, and I have shared my WhatsApp messages number. It is 9423586171 and it is 7972889960 for the voice calls. I have my blog deepakbodhani.blogspot.com where you can see some of the installations of CIMCO MDC. Thanks for watching.